how to make a Game Pass in Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Game Pass in Roblox so that then you can use it in games like Please Donate. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, go up to the top menu, select Create. Then once you get into Create, just scroll down until you get to your experiences and then select one of your places. If you hover over it, you can select Manage Experience. From here, in this left menu that opens up, scroll down until you get to the monetization area and select Passes. Now all we need to do is select Create a Pass. Once Create a Pass opens up, all you need to do is give it a name. You can upload an image if you want to. And in games like Please Donate, this will show up if people hover over the Game Pass on your stand. But all you need to do is give it a name and then select Create Pass. It'll then bring you back to all the passes you have and find the one that you just created. So this is the one I just created right here. To the right of it, I'll see the pass ID and then I'll see offline under the current price. So go ahead and select that Game Pass. And now that we have the Game Pass open, select Sales in this left menu. And now for it to show up or be usable in any games on Roblox, all we need to do is find the price and list the item for sale. So toggle that on and then give it a price. Keep in mind that if you're playing a game like Adopt Me or Please Donate, you're only going to get 70% of this price. So if I put 100, I'm only going to get 70 Robux because Roblox keeps 30% of that, or 30 Robux for 100. You can enable or disable regional pricing if you want to. I'm just going to disable that and then select Save Changes. So now when I click back to passes in the top left, I could see my Game Pass right here and it's now listed with a current price. So that means I'm ready to go into a game like Please Donate, claim an unclaimed stand. When I claim it, I'll see my Game Passes show up on my stand and I can now accept donations with my Game Pass. Now, if they did not show up initially, make sure that the place that you selected when we created our Game Pass is set to public. If it's set to private, none of those Game Passes will show up on your stand. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.